Hello my loves, how are you? Everything good with you? Today's video you get dressed with me, but I speak only in English. So the video will be minimal funny since I do not know how to speak English. I saw this challenge in the channel of the Laura Brito. I found it incredible, so I decided to bring here to the channel.
Inglês e o microfone estava desplugado. Olha que legal, né? Então vamos plugar o microfone novamente e segue o baixo.
So, before anything, I already leaves your like for the effort and dedication in recording this video. So come on, blah blah blah, and let's go to the video. Come with me. Woo! Before we started our makeup, I apply some thermal water to prepare your skin for the makeup. Now the skin has absorbed the thermal water. I will apply oh my gosh. I will apply this Resin Fix by Ruby Rosie that will also help our makeup to last longer. Okay, then while the skin absorbs the product, I already make my eyebrows, and to fill I will use these two shades. These two shades of brown for the palettes of Ruby Rose, and I will fill my whole eyebrow following her natural drawing.
Entendeu? Vou seguir o contorno natural da minha sobrancelha.
Now that I have corrected my eyebrows, I will use a concealer to make all contour and leave the taturanas even more defined. So let's do this. This is a stranger eyebrow. I really don't like my eyebrows. Okay, so now that I have finished my eyebrows, I will apply a little primer. This is Ruby Rose primer, and I love it because it closes the pores
dos poros, ele fecha bem os poros, entendeu?
Now I use this red lipstick. So I put the red lipstick under my eyes to help further camouflage my dark circles under my eye. And now we will come with the base. The base that I will use is the Natural Look of Ruby Rose. My color is nude 4. And I will apply a small amount of base to each point of the face, then slightly on the forehead, chin, and the sides of the face.
So here, and here. And with the sponges, como é que me fala?
And with the sponge slightly moistened, I will spread all this base by tapping, like this. I will come with this palette of Ruby Rose creaming correctives, and I will apply a little more coverage in the region of the dark circles to hide them for once. Okay, now let's do the outline in cream with a brush. So I apply with the hand light in this region, bring the shadow back to your face. So here and here and underhead. Okay, with my fingers I get a little product like this, contour all my nose like this. Okay, so now let's seal the skin. For the clearest part, I seal with the banana powder of Louisen's with the help of a sponge. Let's do the bacon. So right here and right here. While leaving the bacon acting, I seal with the cream outline we made it with this Ruby Rose palette powder, and I like to use these two colors right here. All the places não sei, em todos os lugares que a gente tinha passado o contorno em creme, no caso, é o que eu quero dizer. So now we finally go to the eyes. And I throw off something good for day to day. So I'm gonna use this palette of the Ruby Rose, and I'm gonna, so this color, I get a little shade. Okay, so now that I have deposited this brown shadow in the concave, I will come with a clear brush and vanish the whole edge of the brown, like this. So I take the ready dirty brush and apply the same brown on the lower eyelashes right here. Now with a palette of shimmering shadows, I will apply a little of this color right here. Well, at the beginning of the eyelid where we do not apply the brown. Okay, we are almost finished this look. Enjoy the winter weather to make this makeup day by day a little darker to enter the winter weather. Meu Deus, que trava-língua! Now we will apply the illuminator in cream. This is the brand Dalla Makeup, and this color is 1 Rose, and I'm gonna apply right here and here and here. Now that we apply the illuminator in cream, I will apply the powder illuminator to seal everything and make sure everything stays in place. So I'm gonna use the palette of the Ruby Rose. So I'm gonna apply a very, 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 very mascara. Ready? I apply many layers of mascara on the lower and upper lashes, and now let's finish with the lipstick. And the lipstick I use is a nude lipstick. I don't know, não tem mais marca, mas é um nude assim, ó. É um pouquinho mais escurinho. So we finished our makeup and the final result was this.
Ai, não acredito que eu consegui fazer essa maquiagem, sério, falando inglês, nem acredito.
And I very, very much hope you have enjoyed it and immerse yourself with this challenge. So if you like it, already leave your like, so maybe I cannot bring other video themes talking or trying to at least speak English. Subscribe to the channel so you do not miss the next video, and follow me on social networks. I'm always on the Instagram chatting with you. Is this, my loves, a super kiss for you? God bless you and see you on Tuesday. So, bye bye. Ai, eu não consigo me despedir de vocês assim, gente. Mas é isso, meus amores. Eu espero que vocês tenham gostado, se divertido. Foi mesmo um vídeo pra brincadeira mesmo. Agora, se você quiser reaplicar esse tutorial pra você, você pode usar, porque é uma maquiagem super usável. Mas eu quis mesmo só trazer esse vídeo mais descontraído aqui pro canal, tá bom? Então é isso, meus amores. Um super beijo pra vocês. Fiquem com Deus. A gente se vê no próximo vídeo. Tchau!